Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we're going to go over how to replace your high beam headlight on a 2016 Mazda 3. On this 2016 Mazda 3 you're able to get the high beam on both sides from the top of the car. On the passenger side you can get the high beam, low beam, and the clearance light. To get to the blinker light you got to remove another piece, but you can get to this right here, air cleaner, and this is on the driver's side, but you can only get this light without removing some other stuff, or you just go back from the underside. It's just right down here at the front of the car on the driver's side, and this is the high beam light. So just push the tab down here and pull the electrical connector undone. It is helpful. Then twist this counterclockwise, twist the light bulb there, and then pull it out, and then you would get your new one and put it in. This is a 9005 is what this light bulb is. So you get your new one, you put it back in, do your best not to be touching the glass because your oils will shorten the life of the light bulb. So you put your new one, then you just put it in and line it up in there. The tabs are wider and shorter on things so it can go one way. And then just make sure you hook the electric back up, pull it until you hear that clip. And that is how you install and replace your headlight on your Mazda 3. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.